लिखें। सब्जेक्ट टू द प्रोविजंस कंटेंड इन सब सेक्शन 7, द असेंबली और एनी कमेटी देयर ऑफ मे डायरेक्ट एनी पर्सन टू अपीयर बिफोर द असेंबली और द कमेटी, एज द केस मे बी, and to produce or cause to be produced any paper, books, record or document in the possession or under the control of such person, full stop. Any order made under subsection 1 shall be notified to the person required to attend or to produce any paper, book, record or document, under the hand of the secretary, by order of the speaker or the chairman of a committee, as the case may be, and every such order there shall be stated the date, the time and the place where the person summoned is required to attend or produce the paper or other document, full stop. Such order shall be served by the delivery therefore to, or leaving at the usual or the last known place of residence of the person concerned, through the district magistrate within those jurisdiction the said residence, lies, who shall get it served by any person authorized by him in this behalf, full stop. Any person so summoned shall be entitled to receive, from the secretary, such travelling and daily allowances as may be admissible under rules framed by government in this behalf, full stop. The assembly or any committee thereof may require any witness appearing before it to make an oath, and it shall be lawful thereupon for the secretary or any person authorized by the speaker or the chairman of the committee, as the case may be, be administer oath to such witness, full stop. Paragraph. Subject to the provisions contained in subsection 7, if any person summoned to appear refuses or fails, without a reasonable cause, to appear or to produce or cause to be produced on requisition any paper, book, record or document, as the case may be, in his possession or power or under his control, he shall be punished with simple imprisonment which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, full stop. When government is of opinion that in the interest of security of the state or the maintenance of public order, or generally in the public interest, or on account of any other sufficient reason, any particular record summoned from any office of or authority under government, or set up or established by government, shall not be furnished to the assembly or any committee thereof, or a person in the service of the state should not be summoned or compelled to give evidence, comma, the government may claim privilege for that record or exemption for the public servant, comma, as the case may be, colon, provided that any such case the assembly or the committee thereof, comma, as the case may be, comma, may obtain orders of the governor, full stop.